Most students think the imperfect subjunctive has one of the hardest conjugations in Portuguese. What if I told you that, in fact, it has one of the most predictable ones? If you already know the past in Portuguese, you know how to conjugate any verb in the imperfect subjunctive. Today I'll show you how to bridge that gap without memorizing any new verbs. Olá pessoal! In today's lesson you'll learn how to form the imperfect subjunctive in Brazilian Portuguese. The imperfect subjunctive has a very distinctive hissing sound. It almost always ends with a soft C sound. For this tense, we are lucky because eu, você, ele, ela, a gente share the same form. And there is more. Vocês, eles, elas also share the same form, meaning that the conjugation table becomes much simpler than you might expect. Now, instead of memorizing new verbs, we are going to borrow what you already know from the Preterite. Yes! Here is the three-step process. Let's take falar to speak as an example. So first, start with the eles form in the Preterite. Eles falaram. Now drop the RAM ending. Then add se for singular, semos for nós, and sem for the plural. Therefore we get falasse, falássemos, falassem. Now try with comer, to eat. So in the past, eles comeram. Drop the RAM ending. Comesse, comêssemos, comessem. Very good. Try it with abrir, to open. Eles abriram. Therefore we have abrisse, abríssemos, abrissem. Notice something important. The nós form take accent marks. Even the irregular verbs follow the same pattern. Let's try with ser, to be. I'll help you with the past form. Eles foram. Now in the imperfect subjunctive we have fosse, fôssemos, fossem. How about estar? Eles estiveram, estivesse, estivéssemos, estivessem. Try with dar, to give. Deram. Desse, déssemos, dessem. Dizer, to say. Eles disseram, dissesse, yes, disséssemos, dissessem. Trazer, to bring. Trouxesse, trouxéssemos, trouxessem. Vir, to come. Viesse, viéssemos, viessem. Saber, to know. Soubesse, soubéssemos, soubessem. As you can see, the system is consistent, logical, and extremely efficient. Instead of memorizing dozens of conjugation tables, you only need one simple transformation. Now that you know how to form the imperfect subjunctive, the next step is learning when to use it in real conversations. Would you like a part 2 with real-life examples? Then comment Parte 2 below and tell me which city you are learning Portuguese from. I'd love to know how global Plain Portuguese community is. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!